Pneumatic corner assembly machine is the installation equipment for automatic binding of air duct flange corner with simple operation, fast speed, high efficiency, excellent installation of corner technology. Completely replace the manual way to smash the TDF corner assembly machine, so that the TDF corner installation after the beautiful no smash marks improve the quality of assembly, thus achieving the effect of saving work, saving time, and reducing expenditure. This machine adopts heavy-duty chassis, arc welding steel frame, high-quality cylinder, assembly mode by quenching special treatment to ensure the structure is strong and durable with a long service life.